Kei te piki haere te rahi o ngā tūroro o Mikona i tēnei wā. Nā ko nā no hoki te piki haeretanga o te tokomaha o ngā tauira o tēnā kura e Pāki ana. Ko tahi te akomanga, ko tahi te kaiako o te kāreti o mana i te whanganui ātara e noho taratahi ana i tēnei wā nei. Kua tahuri te tūmuaki a John Murdoch ki te whakatū i etahi tikanga hou, mei kore e tūpono mā reira e mimiti i hoa i te Pākia o te hapuri o te kura e te ngangara nei. Anei rā, a pohatu roa wainga.
He kura e noho ana ki te pari o te rua mo te mate ko Fiori.
It was kind of a big shock to a lot of us. I think COVID, while had been in the media a bit, we didn't think it would come as fast as it did to Akura, and it scared us, I think, a bit.
I te rātū, ka whakamanahia e te tumuaki i a rātou tētahi kehi ma te ko Fiori.
The first step was to get the close contacts home and then to contact the whānau. So we had 25 students in the 1 Year 9 class, and we made sure that all the whānau knew first.
Hei tā te manukura tāne o te kāreti nei, kei te tūmeke ngā akonga ki te pūrongo me noho whakamoho ao e tehi o rātou.
It's important for us to realise that the ministry has their guidelines and the school has implemented them correctly, and just trusting in that and knowing that if we wear masks and we sanitise and we follow those precautions, that we will be safe.
Students were very much not keen on this whole thing, but they just sucked it up and went with it because they know that this is for us, this is for our families, our community, and this is how we contribute.
I wouldn't mind bringing the students in at this stage, but it's a completely different environment for us.
I tēnei wā, ko te mahi mō ngā rangatahi, he whai ngā tūkanga haumarutanga e whakarite ana e te tumuaki.
Nothing much has changed in terms of our safety. It's just coming to school and having these precautions in mind, and that's basically it. They're
pretty positive, they're doing well. Mum said that the boy has got a bit of a mild case. It's not too bad. So, yeah, they're really positive and doing well. And they've been supported by Oratoa and the Runanga with some care packages.
Ko te tūmanako nui, ka kore tēnei mate e rere whānui i te hapori o te kāreti. Pohatu roa wainga, te karere.